Alright, here's my to-do list for today. I'm going to do Mom's morning routine. I just got done doing our bills and stuff in the office. Next, I got to unload the dishwasher and then reload it. And today I do my bathrooms. I'm going to do the downstairs bathroom. I got to give my mom a sponge bath. And then once I'm done with her sponge bath, if you're a caregiver, then you know you got tons of laundry afterwards with all the towels, pads, washcloths that I use. And then by then my Safeway grocery delivery should show up. So that means I have to do the whole process of using Clorox wipes, wiping them all down, and then putting them all away, and then also updating my food inventory sheet. And then, well, actually, this should really be done before my groceries even get placed away. But I really want to go in my fridge and just do a really good wipe down and toss anything that is not good anymore. I also need to clean the microwave. I did not dust yesterday, so I want to finish dusting today. And then for my mom, I want her to do her arm weights after her sponge bath, and we're going to do some sit-ups. And then I'm going to have her relax and listen to the Audible while I try to do the following. Gives me some time to do that. And then tonight we're going to place that king mattress outside, and I got to text the guy to pick it up. Yeah, so that is going to be my day. I want to make sure that, you know, I'm a to-do lister. I like to have everything out that I'm going to do for the day just to keep me focused. As you saw, I have it also in my planner. And that's just so that I can stay on top of things and make sure that I get these things done. So as you can see too, I just got done out of the shower. I got to wash my hair just now while Mom is relaxing from doing the morning routine. So I'm trying to balance and trying to figure out how, get a game plan. I need a game plan to get this all started. Don't you just love cleaning your microwave? Said nobody ever. I haven't been keeping up on this. And I can tell. You just no big deal. So, I guess I'm gonna have to do better. There. Perfect. Alright, clean fridge. Looking better. I was able to clean the fridge before the grocery delivery, so that's awesome. It says it's on its way. So, I might do the sponge bath now, but I hate to start the sponge bath and all of a sudden they ring the doorbell. You know what I'm saying? I'm unloading or wiping most of my groceries off. I put the stuff that's in the freezer already in there. I just have these to do real quick. So I'm going to scratch off Safeway groceries. I'm going to put these away, feed Kitty, and then give my mom a sponge bath. And I decided, instead of showing this in my vlog, I'm going to do those separately. So stay tuned for that video. Got laundry going. Alright, and that is going on right now. Oh, we did sit-ups, we did audible, we did speech skills, and we did arm weights. So I was making really good progress tackling my to-do list today, but it was already getting close to dinner time and getting my mom into her wheelchair to finish some of her exercises. So this is where I chose to stop, so I have enough energy throughout the rest of the evening for my mom's care. And I'm okay with that. I know my limits, and I'm pretty satisfied with all that I got accomplished today. And that's what really matters when you think about it, right? I hope you got some motivation to get things done on your to-do list. A treat. I have not had a Starbucks in like forever. Sometimes, you know, it's just good to treat yourself. I would love it if you click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and if you need more motivation, click on the playlist here or catch up with my vlogs here. Thanks for watching.